In our previous video, we showed you some of the best places and areas to visit in BGC. Now let us share some of the attractions you can check out if you're looking for some fun within Bonifacio Global City. What's up, beach listers? This is Hannah from Philippine Beach List. For more than a decade, our team, together with our partners at The Poor Traveler, have been exploring the Philippines to list out the best that the country has to offer. Breathtaking sights, brag-worthy bites, and of course, beautiful beaches.
But for today's video, let me be your Metro Manila travel guide. Meet Metro Manila, a complex urban jungle that thrives on the fast-paced lives of its residents. Often misunderstood because of the chaos associated with its streets, Metro Manila can be a bit hard to navigate. But whether you're a first-timer or a local yearning to rediscover the Metro, we want you to meet the Metro Manila that we know and love.
Located in Taguig City, BGC is a booming lifestyle hub with countless cafes, restaurants, shopping malls, and entertainment areas. There are also multiple malls, parks, and open spaces around the area. If you haven't seen it yet, we have a separate video where we listed down some of the best places and areas to explore in BGC. So make sure to check that out after watching this video. Having said that, if you're in BGC, it's quite easy to find something to do even if you don't have actual plans. You can just walk around its streets or head over to one of the malls in the area and explore. But if you're the type to have fixed itineraries or have a list of must-visits, here are some things to do and places you can visit in BGC. But before we begin, please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon beside it, and select all so you won't miss any of our informative travel videos. If you're watching this on Facebook, support us by following this page and sharing this video. And if you want to score discounts on hotels, resorts, tours, and other activities on Klook, use our promo code BeachBeachKlook to score up to 300 pesos off. You can find this code in the description of this video or pinned comment for easier reference in the future. You can also redeem your 300 peso discount voucher right now. Just visit www.philippinebeaches.org/300discount. That's philippinebeaches.org/300discount to save the voucher to your account. Using these promo codes also helps us maintain this channel because we get credited for every booking at no additional cost to you. In fact, you even get great discounts, so I think that's a win-win. Here are some of the best places to visit and activities you can do around Bonifacio Global City. We included the opening hours of most of the places listed in this video, but please note that these schedules might change without prior notice. Before visiting, make sure to check their website or official Facebook pages for the updated schedule. Let's begin. Opened in 2012, the Mind Museum is the first world-class science museum in the Philippines. It's shaped aptly inspired by cellular structures and growth. The museum sits on JY Campus Park in BGC. Several awards have been presented to the museum, including a Themed Entertainment Association Award for its outstanding achievement in the Science Museum category. The Academy Awards of the themed entertainment industry lauded the museum for making science playful and interactive in 2014. Children and adults will enjoy exploring the 5 galleries inside the museum, especially if you're a science enthusiast. You'll find the Atom Gallery, Life Gallery, Earth Gallery, Universe Gallery, and Technology Gallery within the 2 floors of the museum, where interactive exhibits await curious minds. While the science in the park right across the museum was made for kids, we reckon that parents will enjoy a quick trip to the playground as well. After awakening curious minds through the galleries, kids will definitely still have loads of energy to burn after the museum visit, and the playground is the perfect place for that. Tickets are available on-site but may be limited because there are only 3 time slots daily. For convenience, you can book your all-day passes in advance via Klook. Don't forget to use our promo code BHBeachKlook for additional discounts. If you've always wanted to start baking but never knew where to start, Bakebe should definitely be your next stop in BGC. This co-baking space is perfect for beginners who don't want to commit to their own baking tools just yet or are prone to culinary misadventures. You can try baking in Bakebe solo or with friends. Each package will allow you to choose a dessert you want to bake from their selection, including various cake designs and flavors. Your baking experience will largely be powered by an app, but a cake expert will also be there to assist you. Although they accept walk-ins, it is best to book in advance or inquire about availability, as they're sometimes reserved for large functions like team building activities. Rates depend on the dessert you'll choose to make and whether you're baking solo or with a partner. You can book your baking session through Bakebee's website, but you can also make a booking through Klook. If you decide to book via Klook, make use of our promo code BeachBeachKlook for discounts. If you were perhaps a ball in your previous life, you would love WiiJUMP Trampoline Park. Located inside Venice Grand Canal Mall, this hands-on, shoes-off play area is great for high-energy kids and adults alike. Inside the trampoline park are 11 zones including the ninja course, wall climbing, foam pit, sticky wall, basketball area, and Olympic trampoline. General admission tickets will give you an hour of playtime, but if you're gunning for a bit more jump time, you can extend your stay for an extra hour for a fee. Grip socks are required when you enter the park, and you can also purchase a pair at the cashier for 99 pesos. These days, you're likely to see phones and digital cameras lugged around by memory hoarders. They're quick, convenient, and ready for posting with a single click. However, we're the type of people to believe that there's still some charm to be found in having printed photos during a trip with the girls or a date with your significant other. If you agree, welcome to the club. If you love taking spontaneous snaps at photo booths, then you'll love Hello Photo in BGC. Unlike your usual photo booths where you just sit and pose for photos, Hello Photo Booth makes it more fun with their various props available for customers. You can bring out your creativity and mix and match some accessories before taking your photos. Different printouts are also available for you to choose from. If you're looking to fire up your adrenaline, give rock climbing a shot. Power Up Climbing Gym is an indoor climbing space that prides itself on being the first of its kind in the Philippines. They have multiple existing branches around the metro, but their home in BGC is ROX. Recreational Outdoor Exchange, or ROX, is the place for different kinds of outdoor gear and apparel. Power Up's wall climbing spot sits near the back of the facility, so a quick walk around the superstore before your climb won't hurt anyone. Beginners and first-timers are welcome, and both kids and adults can go up this indoor wall climbing gym. For seasoned climbers, you can get their all-day pass, sans gear, and belay services, but beginners may want to consider the all-in package, which includes gear. Gaming Library catalogs board games, card games, and game accessories in their gaming arsenal. Most of the items in the shop are pretty niche. You won't be finding a Monopoly set to take home here. But for curious cats, this is the perfect place for a few rounds of games with friends. Their All Aboard XP offer allows guests to play various board and card games in store for a fee. It's a great way to spend some quality time with friends or family while trying out mentally stimulating games. And if you end up loving a game so much, you can buy it at the store so you can continue playing at home. Gaming Library has 2 branches in BGC, one in Bonifacio High Street Mall and the other one in Uptown Mall. Traveling can be tiring, especially if you're jumping from one place to another. If you're looking to pamper yourself during your stay in the big city, book an appointment at the Spa Wellness. Located along BGC High Street, this place is easy to find since the building sits along 9th Avenue. Upon entering the lobby, you'll be welcomed by the calming smell of eucalyptus. They offer various spa services from classic massages to aromatherapy to face and body care. If you don't want a whole body massage, you can also opt for a head and shoulder massage or choose from their foot care options. The spa has different types of rooms you can choose from, including a suite for full privacy. Walk-ins are accepted, but it is highly recommended that you book an appointment in advance. You may call their contact number to set an appointment. Treatment costs range from around 1,000 pesos to 3,500 pesos. There's no shortage of fun things to do in BGC. If you're with kids, another option to add to your list is Active Fun. It's an indoor play area where kids can spend time going on slides, sinking into ball pits, and more. Active Fun also hosts special activities for holidays like Easter Sunday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and even Halloween. They also hold trial sessions for taekwondo classes from time to time. You can also book Active Fun for birthday parties or other occasions, which can be a more fun way to celebrate your special day. On regular days, they offer 1 hour and 3 hour playtimes. In terms of business districts, BGC is one of the more walkable areas in Metro Manila. Wide sidewalks and stoplights at every corner make every commuter's knees weak, especially considering streets in the metro. However, riding a bike or a scooter is also a fun way to get around this economic hub. Moovr stations all around BGC make renting bikes and scooters easy for anyone. This bike and scooter sharing service works through an app which you can download on Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. You can pay for your ride by topping up on the app using a credit card or a debit card, GCash, and GrabPay. The app is very easy to use, and there are also instructions posted in every Moovr station on how you can unlock a bike or scooter to start your ride. If you don't know how to ride the bike, try out the scooter. It's easy to learn and it's electric, so you don't have to spend much energy when riding it. BGC is basically a 24-hour city, especially with the amount of office spaces in its vicinity. But you have to admit, there's nothing quite like BGC at night. If you're looking to party, you can head to the Palace at Uptown Parade. It is home to multiple clubs like Silo, Clubhouse, The Island, and Yes Please. For a chiller nightcap, you can go to Burgos Circle or Forbes Town for resto bars and gastropubs. If you're a fan of stand-up comedy, Wicked Dogs in Uptown Parade hosts comedy nights and various stand-up acts. But restaurants in BGC know that the life of the party doesn't always work a 9 to 5. For partygoers who start their nights early, this business district has quite a few establishments already serving your typical night-out fare as early as 8 a.m. in the morning. Suffice to say that if you're looking to experience nightlife in the metro, BGC is the place to be. BGC is known for its walls upon walls of public art. The murals are works of different local and international artists and are usually seen as backdrops for Instagram photos. Whether you're going around BGC, keep your eyes peeled for these paintings. They range from small ones at parking lot corners to huge ones on walls along the street. If you want to know the exact locations of these public art pieces, you can check out BGC Arts Center's website. With the amount of foot traffic BGC gets, it's bound to be a hub for different events. Watch out for any events in the area, especially on Bonifacio High Street. The Bonifacio High Street Amphitheater particularly is often witness to holiday events, festivals, and the like. If you're not one for outdoor events, you may just want to check out the Bonifacio High Street Cinema housed in Central Square. If you're looking for a little luxury, check out the first ever bed cinema in the Philippines at Uptown Mall. The Uptown Tempur Cinema offers a fully adjustable Tempur bed, pillows, blankets, and personalized butler service, which as of the writing of this video, costs 1,510 pesos per head. It's definitely pricier than your run-of-the-mill cinema, but note that tickets go fast, so advanced bookings are the way to go. Make sure to wear socks as these are mandatory to enjoy the cinema. And that's it for this video. While our channel is largely focused on, you guessed it, Philippine beaches, we're also incredibly excited for you guys to meet Metro Manila through this channel. If you found yourself wanting to explore BGC and more of the metro because of this video, let us know in the comments. You can also reach us through our social media pages. Just look up Philippine Beach List on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. If you want to see more videos like this and everything you need to know about traveling around the country, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified when we have new videos. You can also check out our blog, philippinebeaches.org. The Philippines has thousands of islands. It's going to take a lifetime to visit each one, so we better get counting. Again, this is Hannah. Join me next time as we check another destination off our Philippine beach list. Bye!